Good morning to all. I am Divya. I am working as an assistant professor in Kamaraj College of Engineering and Technology. Now I talk about the topic of Introduction to DevOps and the Cloud Platform. What is cloud? Where is cloud? Are we using cloud? These all the questions are regularly asked by ourselves. These all the questions simply tell only one answer. Cloud is just as on internet. What is DevOps? This is the software development framework. By using this, we have to develop new software or product. What is cloud computing? It is an internet-based computing in which all the resources are shared on demand self-service model. In cloud computing, each data owner they have to host the data on the cloud server, and user can access the data from the cloud server. Cloud is also based on the outsourced storage and relieves the client's burden for storage management and providing the low-cost, scalable, and location-independent platform. Here we have to propose on auditing framework for we have to enhancing the cloud security system. Next one, what is DevOps? DevOps means that also combine only two teams, development teams and operation teams. Development team they does not having the knowledge of operation team. Operation team they doesn't having the knowledge of development team. To avoid this problem, here we have to combine the DevOps method. It is a software development agile methodology. By using this, we have to finally produce the new software or product at a time. In introduction part, we have to discuss about cloud computing and dynamic operations, multiple owners and multiple clouds, auditing protocols, DevOps principles and DevOps tools. First one, cloud computing. It is on internet based computing in which all the resources are shared, and it also provides many types of services and many types of clouds are there. Dynamic operation in the sense they have to performing the operation in insertion or deletion operations. It also stored in multiple owners and multiple clouds. Auditing protocols in the sense it represents the roles, responsibilities, authorities and procedure in all the cloud computing system. Finally, we have to discuss about the DevOps principles and DevOps tools. Next one, cloud services. Which types of cloud services are available here? IaaS, infrastructure as a service. SaaS, software as a service. PaaS, platform as a service. Infrastructure as a service means we have to store, it also providing the server, storage, network in cloud computing. Best example is AWS, software as a service. It also provide the software. Many softwares or packages are available in that platform. Best examples are AWS Netflix platform. PaaS, platform as a service. It provides on runtime environment in which all the codes are executed. The best example is IBM that providing Bluemix. Next one, cloud security. In cloud computing, cloud security is very hot topic. Each cloud hot topic in the sense how do we have enhanced the security. For implementing the cloud security, audit service system, data storage service system, audit outsourcing service system, and finally security and performance analysis of the system. First one, audit service system. What is audit service system? This is called the public auditability. Client with the help of TPA, they have to verify the correctness of data on the cloud without retrieving a copy of whole data, and it also introduced the no additional online burden to the cloud user. Next one, data storage service system. It also having the entities are data owner, cloud service provider, third party auditor, and it also providing the granted applications are there. Next one, audit outsourcing service system. In this sense, each data owner they have using the large amount of set of keys. It also stored in large amount of files. All the files are stored in TPA. Here the TPA is an audit agents of client. Here TPA is used to check the integrity and availability of the outsourced data in terms of public verification information. It also gives an alarms for the abnormal events. This is called the audit outsourcing service system. Next one, the security and performance analysis of the system. They also having the parts are audit without downloading, verification correctness and privacy preserving. Audit without downloading means this term is called the public auditability. We have to client with the help of TPA, we have to verify all the data in the cloud without retrieving a copy of whole data. This is called the audit without downloading. Next one, verification correctness. To ensure there exists no cheating CSP, they have to derive the user's data from the collected information and during the perform operations in only the auditing process. Next one, privacy preserving. What is meant by privacy preserving? To ensure there exists no cheating CSP, they have to derive the data from the lots of collected information and during the auditing process, they have to perform the operation. These all the operations are in secure. How we have to secure the data in auditing manner? Here we have to discuss about that. Next one, this is the overall the security architecture in which the data owner who has the large amount of data to be stored on the cloud, he is called the data owner. Next one, CSB. CSB means cloud service provider, who provides the data storage service which has enough storage space and computational resources. All the platforms and environments are available there. He is called the cloud service provider. Next one, TPA. TPA is on third party auditor. What is meant by third party auditor? Here the TPA is actors on audit agents of client. They also check the integrity and availability of the outsourced data in terms of the public verification information. Finally, the application users. These applications are either inside clouds or outside clouds. These are also depending upon all of their requirements. Next one, how we can integrate the cloud security with DevOps. We have to achieve the cloud security by using TPA concept. How we can enhancing the security. For enhancing the cloud security policies, procedures, rules, methods all are integrated with the DevOps CI/CD pipeline. What is mean by CI/CD pipeline? It is on continuous integration and continuous delivery pipeline. In this sense, SDLC is the software development lifecycle models. They also performing the operations are requirements gathering, analysis, design. These are all the basic steps. These steps from that recover that another previous year sections. Next one, how do we can integrate cloud security with DevOps? What are the methods are involved in that? First one, we have to adapt the DevOps security operation system practices. SEC means it provides the enhancing security in highest priority manner. Next one, we have to implement the security as code. Third one, that also providing CI/CD pipeline. CI/CD pipeline in the sense continuous integration and continuous deployment or delivery models. Next one, it secure the CI/CD pipelines that also performing the build and analysis operation in CI part. In CD part, they also have to performing feedback and output and report, or finally they have to prepare the document in the. Next one, zero trust architecture. It also support to the regular security audits and penetration testing. These are all the methods are involved in integration of cloud security with DevOps system. Next one, DevOps model. What is mean by DevOps model? DevOps that also combines only two teams, development teams and operating teams. Development team that doesn't have the knowledge of operating team. Operating team that doesn't have the knowledge of development team. To solve this problem, finally we have to discuss the topic of DevOps model. By using this model, we have to deliver the end of the day, we have to deliver the new product or delivery on time. By using this term, first we have to advancedly focus on reducing the SDLC model. SDLC models in the sense software development lifecycle models. By using this model, the basic steps are involved in that: requirements gathering, analysis, design, coding, testing, building. Finally, we have to implementation or maintenance part. These are all the basic principles or basic methods in all the SDLC lifecycle model. Finally, we have to integrate with DevOps means we have to enhancing advanced security and advanced all the sense of software we have to releases in at the end of the time. Delivery pipelines in the sense CI/CD pipeline. CI/CD means continuous integration or continuous deployment pipeline. In pipeline, in the sense, they are also involving the steps are build, test, release and feedback loop. Build and test are under the category of development section. Release and feedbacks are under the category of operation section. Development section, in the sense, build, analysis, coding, testing, all the categories are under that. After that, the operating section, they have to come the category of finally the each customer have provide the feedback. Based on that feedback, we have to develop the new software and on time. Next one, how the DevOps can be work. DevOps is also defined as environment in which all the individuals are working together in groups and they have to achieve the goals efficiently and effectively. Efficiently and effectively, they have to achieve the goals in grouply manner. This is called the DevOps method. DevOps also working as a group team in which all the new softwares are developed within the time. By using this, DevOps security operation is the main concept. Here the security, in the sense, in the highest level of priority given to all the DevOps operation system. Next one, DevOps lifecycle model. SDLC model. In traditional version, we have to using SDLC lifecycle model. Follow that, we have to be using DevOps lifecycle model. Each are involved in the phases are finally we have to deliver the product. Before we have to deliver the product, what are the steps are involved in that? First step, code, building, testing, releasing, deploying, operating, displaying and planning. Code, building, testing, these are all come under the category of development session and CI, continuous integration pipelines. Next one, releasing the product, deploying the environment, operating the system, displaying the result and planning. These are all come under the category of operation teams. Next one, DevOps lifecycle. They are also having different types of phases or all are provided in non-stop environment, non-stop development. First one, they have to requirements gathering, analysis, design, coding, testing. Finally, we have to implement part maintenance. All are arranged in non-stoppable manner. Non-stoply they have to producing, the end of the day they have to deliver the document. Next one, 7 C's of DevOps. DevOps C's what can be defined here. Continuous development, continuous integration and continuous testing, continuous deployment or continuous delivery, continuous monitoring, continuous feedback and operations. These are all comes under the development and operation team session. Development team, they are also involved in the finally we have to combine the each cloud securities are integrated with the DevOps system. Next one, how the DevOps can be differ from the traditional models. In traditional models, we have to using SDLC lifecycle model. SDLC in the sense software development lifecycle models. Most of models are under that category. Waterfall model, spiral model, V model, Scrum model. Many categories are there. By using this method, finally we have to deliver the product, but user can only at last we have to see the document on end. Finally we have to customer only we have to see the product in at end. But by using this DevOps model, at the starting time we have to deliver the product and we have to make many changes to the software requirements. In traditional model, each IT has developed in by using the SDLC, 1000 lines of code is created and developed by many other teams. But in this DevOps model, they have to be create only one team. They have to be perform the operation in development and operation session. In traditional model is very complex to understand. Traditional models in the sense the SDLC model. Here we have to advancedly propose on DevOps model. DevOps is easily to understandable, easily to executable platform. We have to easily compile and run. We have to deliver the product at a time, and finally we have to create the document, and we have to also provide the customer satisfaction to all. Finally, we have to update the requirements, update all the changes are done in the DevOps concept. Next one, DevOps tools. What types of tools are evolved in the DevOps system integration and DevOps system testing methods? First one, tools are Jenkins. Jenkins means it also used for the purpose of continuous integrations and continuous delivery pipelines. Continuous integration in the sense they have to performing build, analysis, testing operation. Continuous deployment in the sense they have to perform the operations in after the testing concept, they have to performing analysis, and finally we have to deployment and deliver the product, and feedback it's also combined into the loop. We have to make update our requirements and additional changes can be done. Next one, Docker. Docker is also used for the purpose of containerization. Containerization of the whole product is the software development models. Next one, Kubernetes is also used for the concept of continuous orchestration models. Terraform is used in the sense of infrastructure as a code. It is also used in IBM Bluemix. They are also under the category of Terraform, that is also available in the IBM Bluemix platform. Next one, Ansible software. It is used for the purpose of continuous model assessment and development, configuration management that can be analyzed and processed in continuous manner in the CI/CD pipelines. Finally, the Ansible is very usable software in this DevOps. Next one, Prometheus. It is used for the track of monitoring and alerting the every time of signals. They have giving the alarm for the each time they have to provide the abnormal events alarm they have to be provide. For that process we have to be using that tools. Next one, GitHub. GitHub is also used for the purpose of source code management system, and it is also used in continuous integration and continuous deployment delivery models. These are also having the categories or understand. We have to be provide all the softwares in continuous monitoring, and finally at the end of the day we have to deliver the product in the whole manner as our wishes. It also satisfies the customers. Next one, ELK stack. ELK means Elastic Search Kitable. This stack used for the purpose of logging and analysis in the statistical stage. In each stage CI/CD model they have to performing each operations are performed, and finally they have to create the document. First they have to perform the tool that have performed the operations on the requirements gathering. Additional requirements are added to it for the customer features additional requirements. Next one, Azure DevOps. It is also developed in the end-to-end system environment in which all the individuals are working together in all the group of environment, and they have to complete our goal by using the Azure DevOps efficiently and effectively. We have to achieve the goals by using this Azure DevOps. Next one, Nagios. It is also used for the purpose of infrastructure monitoring. Infrastructure in the sense IAC codes. Infrastructure as a code monitoring. We have to every time we have to monitor the signals, and finally we have to deliver the new product. Final one, benefits of the DevOps. What is the benefits of DevOps? By using this DevOps, we have to deliver the product on time. Additionally, we have to deliver the product, and any changes are updated in that, we have to at a time we have to change that. And finally, they have to providing the fastest delivery. Fastest delivery in the sense we have to provide the necessary product or software in on time. It also improves the collaboration and communication. collaboration and communication between the each of the system integration and system testing environment. Next one, it also improved the quality by using the DevOps tools. Ansible, Azure DevOps are the best tools. They are used for delivering the good quality product or good software. It also providing the better scalability. Finally, it also satisfies all the customers. Any updation that required, it must be updated in the sense we have to at the on time they have to be updated. Daily they have to conduct the Scrum meeting on time within 15 minutes. Daily they have to conduct what to do, what they have to prepare, what in future they what to do. This all the contents are prepared in that meeting. Finally, they have to deliver the product for us, our wishes, we have to deliver the product. So, we have to combine here the DevOps systems are integrated with the cloud computing for the purpose of we have to enhancing the security and overall achieving the performance is also high in our efficient manner. That's all. Thank you.